Good morning, children. In last class, we learned the chapter food habit, isn't it? I think you understood the terms food, food habit, and food habits of the people in different regions. Okay. Now I will ask some questions to you. Try to answer. You know, food is important for the survival. Like that, one more thing is very important for protection. What is that? All the living beings need that. Think of it. Did you get answer? Yes, shelter. Isn't it? Different living beings need different type of shelters like human beings, birds and animals. Birds live in nests. Animals like lion lives in caves, rats in burrows and cows in shed. Okay? You know about the need of a house, the materials needed for its construction and the way of construction houses. So, today's topic is shelter, its varieties. Different district people build different type of houses. Why? Do you know for that reason? Because we build houses to protect ourselves from heavy rain, wind, heat, wild animals and also from thieves. So for these reasons we build houses in different way. Okay? One doubt for me. Children, will you clear it? When you visit your friends or relatives' house, do you find that they have same kind of house or they have the same type of house? No, isn't it? Houses can be of different size, different shapes and can also be made of different kinds of materials. In different districts, people use different kinds of materials to build their houses. Why? Let us know. Normally, the houses are made up of bricks, stones, cement and steel. For windows and doors, we use wood. There are some houses which are made up of hay, means dry leaves, grass, bamboo, then mud, twigs and leaves also. One important thing, children, do you know that these houses are made according to the climatic conditions of the particular area? Yes, depending on the climatical conditions of the particular area, the houses are of different kinds. So these houses are made with climatical conditions. Can we have houses with sloped roofs in hot places? For example, Jeevargi Taluk, Kalburgi district. It's a hot place with scanty rainfall. People build the houses using shahbad stones or slabs of stone. The roof is constructed with wooden planks. Over it they put mud. Some people place stone slabs on it. Do you think people of Jeevargi use stones to build the houses? Why? Because actually they are using stone slabs and mud over it to control excess heat getting into the house. Can we have houses with flat roof surface in the places of heavy rainfall? No. For example, Koppa of Chikmagaluru district, here rainfall is heavy. So people build the walls with bricks or mud. The roof is thatched with hay. Already I told you hay means dry grass. The roofs are slopy because if it is flat, the water will collected on the top. So to avoid this, the roofs are slopy. Some people use hard red bricks to build walls and make the slopy roof with tiles. Understood, children? Why people of Chikmagaluru district made houses slopy and use hay? So that the heavy rain can slide off easily. Main thing to use slopy houses is if it is flat, means the rainwater will collect on roofs and it can damage the houses. Okay. Children, do you know the benefit of the use of hay for the roofs? What do you mean by hay? Yes, already you know. Hay means dry grass. Hay roofs keep the house remains cool in the summer season and warm in the winter season. Now, I think you understood why people in hot places use stone slabs and people in heavy rainfall region use slopy roofs. Okay, now next we study about multi-storied buildings and slums. Anybody knows what are multi-storied buildings? Okay, I will tell you. Nowadays, people are constructing houses one above the other, means the one above the other. These are called multi-storied buildings. For the construction of multi-storied buildings, they use burnt bricks, bricks made of cement and steel rods. Flooring is done with colorful tiles or marble. There is a facility of staircases along with lifts. To construct such type of buildings, huge machines such as crane and mixer are needed. This is about the multi-storied buildings. I think you understood. They use burnt bricks, bricks made of cement. They use steel rods and colorful tiles or marbles. And also they have the facility of staircases along with lifts. And to construct these buildings, they use huge machines such as cranes and mixer. Okay. Now, next shall we move to other part, that is slum areas? Okay. A slum is a small house and these houses are made with bricks, dry leaves and tin sheets. So the roof is either thatched with the dry leaves or covered with tin sheets. Only a few people put tiled roofs. As there is no drainage, the wastewater from washing the clothes, bathing, stagnates, means collected in front of the house. So for these reasons, mosquito trait is common. What happens if water gets collected here and there? You know, the reason is if water collects here and there, the mosquitoes will lay eggs and it spreads so many deadly dangerous diseases, isn't it? So if mosquitoes will be more, then it spreads more and more diseases. Why? Because means hundreds of houses are built close to one another. Therefore, there is no proper ventilation and lighting facility. And also, the people who stay there do not keep their surroundings clean. They dump all the waste materials everywhere, and dung hills have been created there. So, for this reason, the housefly and other insects sit on the dung hills and spread diseases. So, this is about the slum. Understood, children? Okay. Next, we will study about the different types of houses in next part. Okay? Thank you. Once again, after this, read the lesson thoroughly.